Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber. Today I'm here to share with you this really fun, neutral, sailing, adventuring journal that I have just put together. I'm calling it the Voyage Home. It is 9 by 5 inches and I have 72 pages packed in here. This journal was made using the Graphics Fairy Digital Collage Club images as well as a digital kit from Janie B Journals, and it was called like Sailing Masculine Junk Journal Kit. So I'll link that down below for you. But on the front here we have some Tim Holtz background paper. I did some zigzag stitching around the front and the back cover. Super fun. And then I have a eyelet closure here with this twine that I decided to double up, and then I twisted it together and then added a little bead on the end of it. So that is the front cover here. This is an image from the actual kit, and that is the other half of it in the background. There's a lot of dark, really grungy, neutral feeling tones to this. This is a page from the kit, and I have sewing throughout here. Here's a tag from the kit that I made, cut out and sewed on, and then I backed with some stronger paper. There's an extra postcard here. This is from Miss Lindsay's. I have the, oh my gosh, Vintage Lifetime Collection Club or something like that. This is a pocket page here that I collaged on with different elements. And then I did some random stamping in the background, and you can see a little lighthouse stamp that I had in my stash that I used. This was the free image from the Graphics Fairy, I believe. I think. I might be getting them confused because I have 3 different kits going on here. Another stamp, so I was able to use my beach stamp set, which was really fun. I have some burlap, 5 different burlap tabs, a map page. This is a digital page. This is from the Digital Collage Club. It's a mermaid kit. A map paper here with a pull-out writing space. I love that. Added these little seashells. The seashells are from Graphics Fairy. Coffee dyed lined paper. Page here on my scrapbook paper. I had 1 seashell paper in my stash and I decided to use it. We've got music paper pocket here with the lighthouse. I had 1 lighthouse image in my stash as well from a calendar page. A nice little cluster. A little mermaid girl here. So fun. There's 3 mermaids throughout this journal. And then in the back we have like this French script. So maybe they're sailing to France. Coloring page that I found again in my stash with the shells. It was just meant to be, I threw this together fairly quickly. I was just intending to make just an extra bonus journal. And here's my stamps here going to the beach. We have another burlap tab here. And this page is from the kit as well. This line. There was a beautiful bird over here, a seagull, and I had to cut him off to make him fit inside here, and I was so sad. But yeah, that was the only way it would fit. I have a nice coffee dye doily. I added a music paper pocket here as well with a tag and a paint chip card. And then I went through my Shabby Chic book and I found this really pretty kind of the sea green paper here with this nice textured ceiling page. And I chose this because in the back of the book there's a bottle, and I was like, oh my gosh, a message in a bottle. Coffee dyed paper. I have an upper tuck here with a tag from the kit. I just used the same twine throughout here. I've got the seashell paper, the grunginess stamping off and creating that nice background. And I chose this dictionary page too because it was talking about the ship here, like an older sea ship. Got ledger paper in here. This is the French background paper with the 2 mermaids, or actually 4 mermaids. There's 2 little ones, but 2 big ones in the center. And I thought that was really sweet to be able to see the full image there. Let me go back through here. Now this is a scrap piece from the scrapbook paper that I turned into a little flip up. So you could stick a photo here and hide it. You could put writing here if you wanted. You could write here, and then it goes over to the other side and does the same thing. So again, something I've never done because I like the map image there as well. See the world, little corner tuck down here in the bottom with another one of those little tags or journal cards, and then a journal tag flip up. I really like the grunginess stamping in the background. I didn't want to waste my stamp offs, you know. And there it is. There's the message in a bottle. Oh, I love it. And I stamped on the doily with some seashells, writing lined paper. And this is an original card. It's a London postcard. It is from, let's see here, London by Night Tower Bridge postcard. And it's from a long time ago. I don't know. I had only 1 in my stash. I only have a couple of original postcards, and that's one of them, an older one. And then this is one from the kit here that I just printed on. I have green vellum, like sea green. I didn't have any blue, or I would have used it. And I sewed on there and made a belly band. We've got a journal card here. I love the seashell in the center of that. Down here I have a Tim Holtz little label, and I tucked in a couple of little tags, a handmade little journal card, and then another postcard from Miss Lindsay, just so you could write home from your travels from the sea. I'm venturing out there to see these beautiful lighthouses and mermaids and such things. Big pocket page here with another tag that I made from the kit. There we go. I love that. So fun to make those pocket pages. A little cluster down here. There's some fish off to this side because the mermaid was on the opposite side. And then again with this map page in the background. And another page that I printed off here. So copy dyed paper. I did some more grungy stamping off. And then this, I made a flip down writing space here with the lighthouse stamped in the background. And then on a collage page in the back with lots of fun, different things to check out throughout this journal. And on the very back, I really love the seashell and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I put it on a doily and glued it down. But yeah, this little beauty here is definitely something I've never made before or anything else like it. It was really a challenge to not use any flowers or butterflies, birds, basically any color, and I think it turned out really, really fun. So hopefully somebody will have a good time decorating it up and it'll get a nice new home. Thanks for checking out my channel, guys. We'll talk to y'all really soon. Bye-bye.